2020 Immaculate Baseball personal box break for William and Braden. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Good luck. Okay. Anwar, are you here? Mike K, did you make it? Sean S. This is not the flawless break. This that I'm doing is the Immaculate. Number to 99, Michael Brantley for the Astros. That is a jersey card to start you off. Michael Brantley, number to 99. Nice jersey card here of Mr. Soto, number to 99 for the Nationals, Juan Soto. Nationals jersey card out of 99, Juan Soto. Next up, number to 49. That is an eye black auto jersey of Brustar Gratterall for Los Angeles, 11 of 49 on the monochrome jersey auto out of 49, Gratterall. Number to 49, two-color jersey auto on card for the Marlins, Sixto Sanchez. Sixto Sanchez on the auto jersey. It's numbered 5 of 49 for the Marlins. Got a real nice patch here. That is Justin Dunn on the three-color patch auto on card number to 10. 6 of 10. Justin Dunn for the Mariners. And the last card in the box is number to 49. It is a RPA for the Oakland A's. Bat Relic has the auto on the Bat Relic and a piece of jersey there. This is number to 49, Jesus Luzardo. Jesus Luzardo on the RPA for Immaculate, number 49. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Sorry, nothing huge there for you. Let me know if you do want any more. I have 5 left on those Immaculates.